was just eating a piece of chicken. Welcome to PastorKims Corner, and yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. Hello, hello, hello. And as you can see from the thumbnail, I've got some unboxing to do. I have had so many things. I even need to go to my post office box. I haven't been there in probably a month and a half. So I need to get it together. But my first, I've had this, and this is my girl. I refused to wear it until I did the unpacking. Yes, let me make sure I got it right. Yes, y'all, look at that. Get with that right there. What'd that say? Hey girl, hey. Hey girl, hey. That is who? Jill's Comfort Zone. Nice quality t-shirt. I love it. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see that? Hey girl, hey. So I'm gonna be wearing this in the near future. And I keep showing it, but y'all can't see it. Yes, I'm gonna be wearing that in the near future by Jill's Comfort Zone. She does some great work, y'all. Her designs are great. The quality of the shirt is great. It's just cool, super cool. So, yes, I got my t-shirt from Jill. I have some things. That I need to do. I have 2 big boxes that I was ordering some stuff from. A little thirsty. Ordering some stuff from Amazon. You know, Amazon gets you with the Prime. So let me show y'all what I got. I'm trying to oh yeah, this is for keto, and I'm gonna be showing this on my other channel too. This is for the keto, y'all. Look, these are, wait a minute, let me open this up. So excited! I'm so excited because I'm gonna be making my keto recipes. Look, isn't that pretty? That is pretty. And you open it up. So this one you can make without the waffle, okay? You can just put something in there and cook on that. That is super cool. And then the other one, it was a two-for. The other one is waffle. So listen, y'all. I'm gonna be showing y'all. Oh. Okay, so I put, you know, the colors are always lighter. I put this little mini lunchbox, y'all. And it's mini too. That's okay, because I don't really eat a lot of lunch, but I need to take something as a snack. So it's insulated, and you know, it's about as big as my little purse that I'm carrying now. It's got side pockets here. Well, this little side pocket. Look, y'all. Y'all ready for this? Look, you guys. So I bought some meal prep storage food containers, which is why I bought the lunchbox. Meal prep storage food containers. That's what I bought. So I bought the meal prep containers because, and it has the lids because I need to prep my meals. And I didn't want the super big ones because, you know, you don't want to overindulge. Proportion. And these are reusable, washable, all of that. Look at there. Can y'all see that? And they're pink. pink with clear lids. I'm loving it. That's my motivation. Can y'all see that? This is the hand blender. Oh, yes. I've been wanting one of these for a minute. So it's the hand blender. And if you don't know, red is one of my favorite colors. Oh, this is kind of heavy. This is the base. This is the base of the hand blender. And it has 20, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. It has like all of these speeds that you can use. And it's called Link Chef. And it has 2 or 3 it has 2 guys, it has 2 or 3 attachments. So, you know, it has this standard attachment, which I love. Put this back in the bag. It has a standard attachment. Mercy. It's got so much other stuff. It's got 4 or 5 parts to it. I should have had them on the counter or something. They packed it right nice. So this is your standard chopper, I think. Yes, look at there. So, you know, we got about 3 or 4 of these in our house, but we don't have a red one. How about that? We have the big one and then we have the real little one. So look, this is a medium-sized one. Ba, 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 ba. I'm loving it. And then y'all, wait a minute. It's got another part. It's got a couple of parts. Lord have mercy. So these are some gadgets that go with it. I have no idea what that is. So of course you gotta read the instructions. Have no idea what this is. So they go with this. And then it has one more piece. Somebody had to package this up. Amazon be working. Oh, this is for the smoothie. Another extra, wait a minute, let me take this out. Another extra piece. We'll find out what that's for. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, okay, that's for this. Look. Do y'all get excited about new stuff like I do? Because I really do get excited. And this is for the smoothie. Smoothie. So y'all can see. That's for the smoothie. Wonderful. So I'm gonna make my smoothies. Smoothies work. Like they work to regulate you. You just gotta, you know, you gotta give your body time to get. Oh yeah. So this is what I needed, y'all. You know what? Compulsive wire. Oh wow. Come in. I'm doing a video, by the way, and I'm putting all of this in it. that 2.5. She cut the chicken wings in half. No, you baby, you eat them. You go ahead. No, you eat your other. Eat your other. Eat your other 2.5 chicken wings. This is what happens when you try to videotape, okay? I didn't know I was going to hear all of that. They just mess up all your professionalism. Snatch, what you call them? Snatchback pants. I wish y'all could see her face. It's not snatchback. Y'all know what it is. Yeah. That was Taste Buds Philly, y'all. She is off the chain. So, you know, this is where you can pop out the cake. You need this when you're making keto stuff because the keto flour does not always hold as well. So you need to, instead of trying to get the cake out of here, instead of trying to get the cake out of here, you can just unpop it or whatever the case may be. So it comes with this size. It has 3 different sizes, and they give you the liners. They give you the liners. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the medium. This is the medium one. And then little. So you can make you some food with that. Make a little cakey cake. A little 1-person keto cake. Cause you never know around here. But God is good. I'm not gonna mess it up because I don't wanna. I'm gonna wait. So that's what I have there, you guys. It gives you the liners, so you can put them down in the bottom. Then if you want to icing it, little spatula. It gives you the decorative little icing thingies. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Cupcake holders. We didn't get any cupcakes. And it gives you the frosting tips and some frosting bags. So I was really in my decorating bag, my cooking keto bag, and then this, which I didn't expect. This is supposed to be what you use to slice the cake, y'all. Isn't that interesting? Take the top and the bottom layer off the cake. You know, you watch enough baking shows. You watch enough baking shows and cooking shows, you be done bought everything. So I'm gonna try to put this back in here without messing up anything. Hopefully I did that correctly. Put you back in here. No? I'm so discombobulated. Okay, guys, I'm about to show y'all what's in my second box. Never mind the fact that I just went through the entire box and the camera was not on, okay? Note to self, red means on, green means off, okay? So I have to do it again. I already unboxed everything in the second box, but because the video camera wasn't on. Have y'all ever done that? Video camera totally not on. So let's backtrack. What I have is some 12-ounce bottles for juicing. They're really kind of cheap, but it's okay. 12-ounce bottles for juicing. I did not want the 16-ounce bottles because I don't want want to drink 16 ounces of juice. This is a lot of juice right here. So if I can get through this in the morning, that's good. So that's one thing I bought. Y'all hear that? It has labels and it has a recipe like book. Then I had to buy a new ring light and selfie stick. So that's what all of this is. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, a new ring light. So it could be like a selfie stick and a ring light all in one. It can go from a selfie stick all the way up to the ring light. So you can use it with or without the light. I also had, guys, look, hold on. Culture tags. I got this on Instagram. This game is so much fun. Somebody's following me. Who is it? So this game, guys, is so much fun. So it has different categories and different hashtags. I'm gonna go on live one day and play it. We've been playing it. And when I tell you it's fun, okay, let me just pull a card. Okay. So I'm just gonna pull one randomly. Okay. So this is the hashtag right here. I'm gonna let y'all see that. I know that looks crazy, right? So these are called family and friends. And so this one is something that your mom would definitely say this when you were a kid, okay? I know you know what it is. You know, when she's mad at you, about to beat you half to death, and she would say this. I don't know if dads would say this, but I know for sure moms would say this. Did y'all guess what it is yet? Did y'all guess? I know you did. Put down in the comments if you guess what this is before I tell you what it is. It's so much fun. I brought you into this world and I'll take you out. Oh yes. Oh yes. That's what parents would say, okay? So, this is one of my favorite sayings. I don't know if y'all know this one. Okay, so this is an easy one. This is another one that your friends would say. Not your friends, I'm sorry, that your parents would say. When you ask them something, this is like when you ask them why. They tell you to do something and you say why. And what do they say? I know y'all got it. Because I said so. Yes. So that game is fun. Let me tell you. So I'm gonna be playing that game. I'm gonna do a live and play it. But yeah. So that's what I have for my unboxing, y'all. So as soon as I get off this video, I gotta clean up all this mess. 2 big boxes. Okay, so y'all have a blessed day, a purpose-filled life. All right, y'all. Peace.